And look, after the fight broke out, look what's up here. Look at them eyeballs. Are you serious? You ain't had nothing to do with that, did you? You didn't use your magical powers, did you? Now you supposed to be working with us. I sometimes I wonder about black magic. It's fun. Well, you need to run off, cause look, all types of shit just broke out. I'm sorry about that language, kid. Now look who on the breezeway. I'm gonna feed you, but it's gonna take me, man. I gotta cook up some drumsticks. Man, oh God, I don't know what to say, y'all. One to you.